I'm Mrs. Bowles and I'm a teacher at Sandringham Primary School, and today I've got a Year 2 maths lesson and we are going to be looking at repeated addition and thinking about how it will help us with our multiplication. There's a few pauses in my video where I take a break and I'll be asking you to shout out your answers. Imagine you're in the classroom with your teacher. So let's get started. I have 3 groups of biscuits. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. What do you notice about my groups? That's right. Each group has 5 biscuits. I have 5 biscuits in each group. These are equal groups. How do you know they are equal groups? That's right, because each group has the same number of biscuits. We can say that we have 3 equal groups of 5. There are 3 groups of 5. How can we find out the total number of biscuits? What could we do? Did you say add? Let's try that. What might help me to add our groups of 5? I think our knowledge of counting in 5s will help. Let's try it. 5, 10, 15. There are 15 biscuits altogether. I wonder if there is another way of looking at this question. We have just completed a repeated addition to find the answer. Is it possible that we could use multiplication to answer the question? Shall we try? How many groups do we have? Did you say 3? We have 3 groups. And how many biscuits were in each group? Did you say 5? I think you're right. Now we need the mathematical symbol for multiplication. Can you show me at home? Excellent. And finally, we need the equal symbol. Can you remind me again, how many biscuits were there altogether? "15." There are 15 biscuits altogether. We have written our equation tell me what the 3 stands for in our equation? I can't hear you. Oh, excellent. Can you tell me what the 5 stands for in our equation? Pardon? Brilliant. What does the 15 stand for in our equation? Okay, so I can say the 3 represents the number of groups we have. The 5 represents the number of biscuits in each group. And the 15 represents the whole number of biscuits. That was great. Let's try another question. This time we are using counters. Okay, let's have a look. At home, think about how many groups I have. What does each counter represent? Is it possible to write a multiplication question for this? Okay, let's go through it together. How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups. And how many are there in each group? 2, 2, 2, 2. There are 2 in each group. And can you show me at home the sign for multiplication? Excellent. Okay. So my question has become 4 times 2, or 4 lots of 2, or 4 groups of 2. Let's check the answer. Can you try it at home? Did you say 8? I agree. 4 lots of 2 equals 8. Brilliant. Finally, I'd like you to have a go at home at writing a multiplication question for this repeated addition. I am showing you 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus another 10. I'll put my addition sign on for you. Okay. How many groups are there? How many in each group? I bet you can write your multiplication question faster than I can write my repeated addition. It's much more efficient to work this question out using multiplication.
And I'm going to leave you with that question today.
I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope that you can see how much more efficient multiplication is when we compare it to repeated addition. At home, have a look around your house. Have you got any equal groups of things that you could practice your multiplication with? Anyway, I'm off now to eat my biscuit.